It's Gabe from Enhanced Investors bringing you another highlight replay, this time on IOTX, alerted by myself in the altcoin trading chat room. So really big profits here on IOTX in a really relatively short amount of time. Basically, this thing hit the market, it dumped, it bottomed out, it found support, and then it started climbing from there in a very bullish uptrend. So before we get into it, though, I just want to give credit where credit's due. And if we look here in our winning trades, where a lot of members are giving him shout outs, one of our members, DJK, David Delane's been with us for a really long time, was talking about IOTX right as it was hitting the market and was saying that it's going to be a really good coin. It's going to have really high potential. And a lot of people got really good entries, even better than my entry because of it. But with that being said, if we take a look, my entry came out at 600 satoshis. But as it was first hitting the market, I was recommending to our members, to be careful because it was falling really quickly as it hit the market. It hadn't shown any support yet. It hadn't shown any pattern yet. But once it did, in this region down here, you see hits the market. It's on a this massive red candle. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. And this is where I'm saying to be careful. And it had this really nice bounce, followed by subsequent increases in volume, and this break of the whole number 600 that I is when I took my entry, alerted it in the chat. I really just rode this thing for massive profits. I exited full position up here in just above 1,000, so really around 80% profits. And we're watching it now as it moves out, consolidates, it's losing volume. I expect another move from this in the near future. It's hard to say right now when that might come. But it was an exciting trade. It was an exciting evening last night. Didn't get much sleep because of it, but I got some really nice profits instead on this really nice trade. I know a lot of our members were able to profit on it. Real quick before I leave, though, just talking about IOTX and what it is. It's kind of an addition to the IoT, Internet of Things ecosystem that's allowing for more privacy, more scalability, and more interoperability for this IoT ecosystem that they claim was lacking. So it's adding a new aspect to a big part of the blockchain in the IoT by advancing it, making it more practical, making it more usable for people. So it appears to have good applications in regards to blockchain 3.0 and the next generation with their what they refer to as blockchain within blockchain technology. A lot of things that I'm not fully understanding in yet, but I plan to research more. Something I like to bring to you guys is a little bit of understanding on these coins before I just kind of spout out about how they're a good trade and whatnot. So this one's definitely that I want to look into more because obviously it hit the market at a very high volume time. It has an incredible team behind it. We've got multiple PhDs. There's two more, as well as like really highly experienced advisors on their team. So I expect big things out of this coin just from the concept and the team behind it, like alone. So again, this trade was an exciting one, really awesome amount of profits in just a couple hours. Something that we haven't seen in this market for a long time now. So this is Gabe from Enhanced Investors. Please, if you haven't already, get a trial just down in the description below. Come check out our chat room. Jump in on some alerts and make some money with us. We'd love to have you guys.